One of the greatest things you can learn in the martial arts is the culture of respect. So here are a couple of key points about respect. The first point is that you have to realize that respect is not only an important part of martial arts, it is the martial arts. Respect is what makes the martial arts the martial arts. I've heard it said that without respect and protocol, martial arts would just be glorified street fighting. The second point to understand is that no other sport puts such value on respect as does the martial arts. So what's respect? Respect is treating people and things as if they're important. We treat them as if they're important because they are. The first place we learn to practice respect within the karate school is with each other. Here's a story to help you understand what I mean. One day, a businessman was on his way to work and he was in a rush. As he got to the train platform at the subway station, he noticed in the corner a beggar selling pencils from a cup. Without any hesitation, because he was in such a rush, he took out some change from his pocket and tossed it at the beggar. As he was waiting for the train to arrive, he thought to himself, that wasn't the right thing to do. So he walked up to the man and he said, I see that you're a businessman and that you're selling pencils. I too am a businessman, so if you wouldn't mind, I would love to buy a couple of those pencils from you. The beggar, who had never been spoken to like that before, quietly raised this cup of pencils. The businessman took a couple of pencils and put some money in the beggar's cup. He then turned and got on the next train into the city. After a few months had passed, that same businessman was at a function when a man approached him. The man was well groomed and dressed well. When he got close to the businessman asked him, Do I know you from somewhere? The man paused for a moment and then he said, You might. You see, a couple of months ago, I was homeless and living in a subway station. You bought some pencils for me one day, and the things you said to me made me realize that I had self-worth, and it changed my life. To be honest, I never thought I'd see you again. So when I saw you standing here, I thought I'd take the opportunity to come by and say thank you. And with that, the man turned and walked away. The story captures the essence of respect. We treat others with respect because, first, every person is important. They may not be important to you, but they are important to somebody, and therefore they should be treated that way. The second reason we treat others with respect is because when you treat them with dignity and respect, we remind them that they are important and valuable and should be treated that way. And finally, this message comes with a warning. Although you may see many people outside of the karate school treating others with disrespect, don't model that behavior. That behavior is not the attitude of a black belt, nor a leader. The thing to remember is the right attitude is to have the attitude of respect.